To add a new appointment, click on the Add New Appointment button on the home screen. This will take you to the New Appointment screen. The first step is to select a customer. You can use the drop-down list or the searchable menu to choose from the available customers. Once you've selected the customer, click Next to proceed. In the second step, select the appointment date and time from the available options. You can use available slots or the date-time picker. Click Next to proceed or back to return to the previous step. In the third step, choose the service for the appointment. The screen will display a list of available services categorized by service category. You can select multiple services if needed. Details of each service, including name, duration and price, will be displayed. Click Next to proceed or back to return to the previous step. The final step is to review the appointment details. This includes the selected customer, date and time, chosen services, and any special notes. You can add special notes in the input field if needed. Review all the details to ensure they are correct. Once you've reviewed the details, click the Save Appointment button to confirm and save the appointment. Upon successful addition, a confirmation message such as "Appointment saved" will be displayed. You will then be redirected back to the home screen.